Nestled in the heart of Florida, Middleburg offers homeowners a unique blend of charm, where classic Southern architecture meets the elegance of modern home design. Whether you live in a traditional brick ranch or a contemporary new build, one home improvement project that benefits every style is window replacement. Modern window technology not only boosts curb appeal but also improves energy efficiency, indoor comfort, and security. With so many architectural styles across Middleburg, choosing the right window replacement solution requires understanding both the design and practical needs of your home. Here's how to find the perfect balance between functionality and beauty, no matter what type of home you own. Blending design with functionality in Middleburg, many homeowners take pride in preserving the charm of their property while incorporating modern upgrades. Fortunately, today's replacement windows come in a wide variety of materials, colors, and styles that can complement nearly any architectural look. For traditional homes, if your home has a classic aesthetic, think colonial or farmhouse, opt for double-hung or casement windows. These timeless designs maintain an authentic appearance while providing excellent ventilation and easy cleaning features. Grille patterns or divided light panes can further enhance the traditional look. For modern homes, sleek, minimalist picture or sliding windows are ideal for modern properties. These styles maximize natural light, provide clear outdoor views, and create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. With the right window replacement, homeowners can respect their home's character while enjoying the comfort and performance of modern technology. Energy efficiency for Florida's climate. Middleburg's hot, humid summers and mild winters make energy-efficient windows a must-have. Replacing older, single-pane windows with advanced energy-saving options can dramatically lower cooling costs and improve comfort year-round. Today's best solutions include low-E glass coatings that reflect infrared heat while letting in plenty of natural light, double or triple pane glass filled with argon gas to reduce heat transfer, thermally insulated frames that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Whether your home features wide bay windows or compact single frames, energy-efficient replacements can make a noticeable difference, helping you stay cool in summer and reduce your monthly utility bills. Durability and moisture resistance. Florida's humid climate can take a toll on window frames, especially those made from untreated wood or outdated materials. Modern window replacement options are designed to withstand these conditions while maintaining their beauty. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for Middleburg homeowners because they resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. They're also available in various colors and finishes to complement both traditional and modern designs. Fiberglass windows offer exceptional durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance, making them ideal for long-term performance. Aluminum frames, with their sleek design, are perfect for contemporary homes and can be treated to resist corrosion and heat. Choosing the right material helps ensure your windows remain both functional and beautiful despite Middleburg's weather challenges. Customization for unique home styles. No two homes in Middleburg are exactly alike, and that's part of what makes the community so special. A professional window replacement company can help you customize your windows to fit your home's dimensions, style, and needs. Custom options include specialty shapes, such as arches, circles, or trapezoids, for unique architectural touches. Color-matched finishes to blend seamlessly with your home's exterior. Decorative grills or trim for added visual appeal. This personalized approach ensures your replacement windows look like they've always belonged, whether you're upgrading a historic residence or enhancing a modern masterpiece. The importance of professional installation. Even the most advanced window won't perform properly without expert installation. Professional installers ensure a precise fit, tight seals, and proper insulation, critical factors for preventing air leaks, water intrusion, and energy loss. They'll also help you navigate Middleburg's local building codes, ensuring your replacement meets regional standards for safety, energy efficiency, and weather resistance. Final thoughts. In a community as architecturally diverse as Middleburg, Finding the right window replacement solution means choosing products that respect your home's design while delivering the performance you need. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of traditional windows or the clean sophistication of modern styles, there's a perfect fit for your home. By investing in high-quality materials and professional installation, you'll not only enhance your home's comfort and curb appeal but also protect its value for years to come. For Middleburg homeowners, window replacement isn't just an upgrade, it's an opportunity to blend tradition and innovation into a space that truly feels like home.